Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 12-inch MDF base in which I drew circles and created grids. Let's get started with dotting. I'll start with dotting in the center in light brown. Now I'll dot with flush tint. Now I'll keep tiny dots in flush tint. Now I'll keep dots in light brown. Now I'll keep tiny dots in light brown. Now I'll keep straight swipes in flush tint. I'll keep a dot, then drag it to a swipe. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'm going to keep two side swipes in light brown. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep a small dot in flush tint. Now I'll keep light brown dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in light brown. Now I'll keep some dots in flush tint. I'll keep tiny dots in flush tint. I'll keep light brown dots again. Now I'll keep some dots in flush tint. Now I'll keep smaller dots in light brown. Now I'll keep some more dots in light brown. Now I'll keep some flush tint dots. Now I'll keep some more light brown dots. Now I'll work the dots first layer in light brown. Now I'll work the dots second layer in light brown. I'm going to work the dots in third layer now, and that's in light brown as well. Now I'll work the dots in flush tint. Now I'll keep straight swipes in flush tint. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in light brown. Now I'll keep light brown dots. I'm sure this is a simple and beautiful dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.